Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making fried rice and these are the ingredients. Let's go. The first thing you're going to do is to boil your meats or any kind of protein you are using. Today I'm using chicken. You can see I've added onions, curry, thyme, salt, seasoning cubes. Then I added purpose seasoning, chili for some spice. Then you turn and mix it together, then cover for a while for like 30 minutes. Then this is snail. Instead of using liver for my fried rice, I do not like liver, that's why I'm using snail. You can use liver if you want. So I'm going to be boiling the liver separately. As I was boiling the chicken, I was already boiling the liver on the other side. So you boil the chicken in its own juice for like 15 minutes without adding water. Then after 15 minutes, you then add water. Then you stir and cover and allow to cook. I think 20-30 minutes it should be cooked. Then you separate the chicken from the stock. Fry your chicken. Some people do not like frying their chicken, but I mean, what is fried rice without fried chicken? Yeah. At this point, guys, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, like my video and comment in the comment section. When you like my video, it actually encourages me and it helps YouTube to know how my video is doing. So thank you. After frying the chicken, I fried the already cooked snail. Then I added some oil into my pot, fry my onions, added some curry and thyme. I'm going to be frying the veggies first. Then I added the carrots, then other vegetables. I'll allow it to cook for a while. Then added the snail, diced snail. Please guys, be careful when you're adding your salt and seasoning at this point, because we are still going to add some salt in our rice. You can bring out the veggies at this point when you are sure that it has softened enough. Then go ahead with the washed and drained rice. Add some curry, thyme, and some black pepper, chili pepper. Then give it a thorough stir. This is the point where we start frying it. I normally do this frying to make my fried rice last long. If you fry it, it will last for a very long time. So after that, I added my chicken stock, some water, bay leaves, then some salt and seasoning. You may not add salt and seasoning if you know that you have added a lot of seasoning while boiling your chicken. Then you allow the rice to cook. The next thing I'm doing now is to stir fry my chicken, snail, and prawns in some pepper base. This is because I don't really like eating naked chicken, so I prefer frying it before eating, especially for fried rice. So after frying the prawns, I went ahead with the snails and the chicken. Now our rice is done. The next thing is to stir in the already fried veggies, then give it a thorough stir. Our fried rice is ready. I really want to thank you guys for watching my videos, for always coming back. Thank you. The next thing is to prepare our coleslaw. I added some cabbage, carrots, milk, mayonnaise, sugar for my coleslaw cream. Then I gave it a thorough mix. Can you see that juice? Then let's go ahead and serve our meal. Thank you for watching, guys. Please do not forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and tell me if you actually enjoy my video. I'll be in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.